Welcome to Devotions from Israel, a 5-minute word of encouragement. Today's devotion comes from Joshua chapter 1. Transitions can be difficult in life, can't they? We often have a difficult time of traversing changes in our life that come to us, whether they be our choice or not. Most of the time, the latter. It's hard to traverse these transitions of life, to journey with confidence in how and what God wants us to do and how He wants us to respond in this transition. Well, Joshua was finding himself in a big-time transition here. Moses just died in the vicinity of Mount Nebo, and now God is encouraging him with the same words that Moses encouraged Joshua with prior to his departing. I want to read these verses from chapter 1 of Joshua. Be strong and courageous, God says to Joshua, because you will lead these people to inherit the land I swore to their forefathers to give them. Be strong and very courageous. Be careful to obey all the law my servant Moses gave you. Do not turn from it to the right or to the left, that you may be successful wherever you go. And do not let the book of the law depart from your mouth. Meditate on it day and night, so that you may be careful to do everything written in it. Then you will be prosperous and successful. Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be terrified. Do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Wherever you go. Joshua was given these wonderful words from the Lord himself. And Joshua would do this. He would lead his people. They would cross the Jordan River at flood stage. They would make camp on the west side, and just in a couple chapters later, they would defeat the first of 31 Canaanite cities. You see, the pathway was unknown for them, and yet Joshua was confident in these words, be strong and courageous. I don't know what transition that you are facing today, or perhaps it'll come tomorrow or the next week or month. But consider these words that God shared with Joshua. Be strong and courageous. And that is a remedy for success when we entrust every step of the journey to God's care. Be encouraged today as you stay strong in Him. Until next time, Shalom.